Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.com. While there are several benefits to using Agile software testing, some challenges are worth considering before switching from traditional testing. There is a higher chance of an error. One downside to using Agile methodology for testing is that errors are more likely to occur. While it is convenient that there is less focus on thorough documentation, losing that very documentation process can sometimes cause more errors to happen or to be overlooked in testing. New features are added often. Since Agile testing moves rapidly, new product features are added faster than traditional testing. New features can pose a challenge because it leaves testing teams less time to identify developmental issues with previous features before new ones. The transition from traditional to Agile testing. Transitioning from traditional to Agile testing requires thorough consideration. Understanding the main differences between the Agile testing methodology versus waterfall testing methodology can help you better understand which is the better choice for your situation and make the appropriate decision. What is traditional testing? Traditional testing, also known as waterfall testing, is more structured than Agile testing and is performed incrementally. All testing occurs at the end of product development, with changes being performed at this stage, following which the testing process restarts. This waterfall testing approach allows for all features to be delivered after the implementation phase all at once. With waterfall testing, most often testers and developers will be working separately, and they will never or rarely directly cross paths. Within the waterfall testing approach, testers identify errors, and anything and everything is thoroughly documented so testers and developers can refer back to it without missing potentially critical details. The project manager is ultimately in charge of the project from start to finish, and testers and developers follow predetermined steps to execute the testing process. This top-down approach is easy to follow, as testers can only move to the next phase after fully completing the previous one. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.